Red horse thunder, swinging his blade. Nations burn while the rich get paid. Bombs in the sky, blood on the land. Another young soldier with a gun in his hand. From backroom deals to the battle zone, they profit off flesh, off blood, off bone. Don't tell me war is a righteous game. The red horse laughs while he fans the flames. Four horsemen ride, can't you see? From Revelation straight to our city streets. Deception, war, famine, death collide. You choose your master, there's no place to hide. The black horse comes